Hi everyone, welcome back to our Iceland vlog. This waterfall is reputed the most powerful waterfall in Europe and is the largest one in Iceland.
Our best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
This beautiful waterfall flows downstream from Dettifoss.
Blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay, I'll stay.
This geothermal field is probably the largest one in Iceland. You can see many boiling mud pots surrounded by sulfur crystal of many different colors. This gives the area an overwhelming smell of egg.
I'm just sitting here.
The nature bath was one of the best part of our ring road trip.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together,
Soaking in the mineral waters and enjoying the incredible views. The temperature of the water is about 36–40 degrees.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
This small lava cave has a thermal spring inside.
Sometimes you need to go.
Deep the water is. It's quite deep. It's
See the truth around you.
The cave is an iconic film location from the Game of Thrones. Godafoss means waterfall of the gods. It's one of the biggest waterfalls in Iceland.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Dalvik village in North Ireland is the best place for whale watching. In Iceland you have great chance to see humpback whales and dolphins.
See his face.
It was there. We visited an old turf farm. Our next stop was the Grabrock crater. It rises about 170 meters above the ground and it's easily accessible. After the crater, we visited Europe's most powerful hot spring. Most of the water used for central heating in the towns. This waterfall is a bit different than the other ones. Over 100 small waterfalls flowing from the rocks into the river. Barnafoss is just a short walk away from the previous waterfall. Our last stop was this beautiful local horse breeding farm with about 60 horses.
I want to have a photo of you.
Oh, look at the eyes.
Blue eye or a glass eye?
Did you know that Icelandic horses are small, at times pony-sized? Hogy alszanak, olyan aranyosak. Icelandic horses are very unique in the world because they can perform 5 ways of walking while other horse breeds can only 3 or 4.